TV, where we learn how to create a website, how to create a game, and also how to create an application. Not only to create, but also to make money out of it. If you're new, consider subscribing. Okay, today's video, we're going to show you how I spend almost 4, 5, 6 hours to create this game for you. And don't forget, as you always know, I always drop the code of all my games for my subscribers, especially those who follow me on WhatsApp group. All my videos, you can get the link below this video to join the group. I will be dropping this code on this WhatsApp group. So as you can see, this is the interface of the game. Once I give you this code and you hosted it, maybe into AppCreator24 or any other methods, you're going to see this interface. Once you click on the app, after you install, you're going to see a interface like this, and you can see start raising. That you can see 3D car game. So here, this is sound. This is sound. If you like, you can on the sound. Here, if I start the car, you see it to start moving. Okay, so you can see. Okay, oh, okay, let's start again. So here you can see, oh, okay, still going slow. So as you can see, this is how the game works. So here I'm going to give you the code. So what you do next is to take this code, you copy it from my WhatsApp group, and you go to AppCreator24. For new users, let me go and start from the beginning. You go to AppCreator24 and you create an account. Once you create an account, you have an interface like this where you can see create app. You click on the code which you copy. Now you put the name of the game. That is let me go up, let me just copy the same name. So here you can see this is the same name I want to use for the game. Okay, car racing game. So here I go, and I come back here. This is where you should put. If you don't know how to do much things about this, feel free. There's an AI. You go to ChatGPT or any other AI, ask to generate the app description for you. For the sake of tutorial, I'm just going to put this, the app icon. You can take your time to create your own app icon, the game icon. Here you go and upload it, the one which you, there's also a free platform where you can create your logo, your game logo. You just have to tell the I have a game, a car racing game, can you please, generate the logo for me, and stuffs like that, and it will work fine. Once you have that, you upload it, you come to browse, because once you download, when you click here, it's going to open up either by on your phone or on PC. It's going to ask where your file is located. But here is a free some icons that you can use for the sake of tutorial. I can pick this one, and we go with that. Okay, here you click on next. Here doesn't matter because you have an opportunity to change all the design once the app is created. Okay, we'll go to next. Here you can go create an empty app. Okay, so here we go, and here we go to app manager, and here you can see section. This is where you need to come. Here you can see create a section. We click on creating a section, and here you can see HTML. So that is where you come in with this code. You click on HTML, and here you click on enter direct HTML code, and you click on next. Here you remove everything here, and okay, let me put the app name the same, and here we go back to copy the entire code. I'll be dropping it here on my WhatsApp group. Okay, so anybody who join here can access this code for free. So here I go, and here I paste the code. Okay, I'm giving this code for my subscribers who subscribe, who are also always following my videos as well. So I'm still okay. The code is here. Okay, so the code is here. I have give it out over there. So here we come and we paste the code which we copied, and here you click on save changes. So once this is done, there's other things that sometimes I don't guide. Here you can do some design, the color menu type, all those things. If you don't want the app to show anything on the up of the phone, you can click on this so that the entire game will fill the phone screen. Okay, so this way there will be no options, there will be no icon on top or any name, just like this name which I wrote. It will not show into the app, but if you select this name will show up on the top of the the header here. That is where it's going to show. Okay, so once that is done, you click on save changes, and here you can see color. Here you can change the design of your app from here. You can select it from here. The background and the header is going to change. Now if we click this save changes, it's going to give us a blue background game. So we're going to customize. That is what I always ask you to do, so that your game will be different from any other person's. So here you can see button menu. So if you want to add a menu below the button, here you can say yes. So you do all kind of customization here. So here you can see a load. Here you can see main icon. We leave the main icon, and here you can see top bar. So if you want to remove all this as well from the header section, you can do that by coming here and dropping them. Maybe you leave only the share button so that users can be able to share your app with others. Okay, so here you can see load image. Once somebody is click on the app, there must be something loading, so you can decide to make the loading to be a image loading, just like the car loading image before the game starting. Okay, so here you can do all those settings. Here you can see background image. Here you can see I need to do all the settings so that I show you all the example how it works. So here that is how to do all the customization section here. So after done with all this, now the next we go to monetization. Okay, here you go to general. So here the general info, and here you go to name and icon, and here you go down. Okay, so here you go to AdMob, create an account if you don't have. If you're new, note that creating an account on AdMob is the same as a Google account. You just need to go to AdMob. After you have logged into your own Google account, just go to admob.google.com. It's going to open up, and you click on register and sign up. Once you join, as you are new, it's going to take 24 hours for your account to be approved. If your account is not approved, make sure you go to settings under your AdMob account, put all the necessary informations like the payment name and your country, your phone number. You verify your account and wait. AdMob is going to approve your account. Once that approved, you go to create a new app, and there you're going to create the app, and here you're going to come up here with your Google, your AdMob app ID. So here you put the app ID. I have videos about that, so that is why I don't want to take all the videos to explain the same thing. So you can check some of the videos. I will drop it below this video, which it will guide you how to create a app on AdMob, where you're going to get the code to come back here on AppCreator24 to link your AdMob account with AppCreator24, your game on AppCreator24. Okay, so once that's done, you click on Save Changes, and here you can come to Art. So this is where you're going to create all the banner type for your app. Okay, so here you can see all the types of art banner, native art, and here you can see video rewarded ads. You can see so many of them. So go gently and you put all the code. This is for banner. You go to the banner, and there's one thing sometimes people doesn't explain about app creator 24. You can decide if your app will show on top of your on at the header section of your phone, the game, or below. So here, this is where you're going to customize that, which you can see at position, and here you can see I selected all my app ads to be below. That is the button. So if you want it on top, here you can put it on top. Okay, depending on you can do those changes. And here you can see art size, so you can make it smaller art, you can make it larger art. So for me, I always put it normal so that it will not cover all the space for the game. Okay, so here you can see show hat, and so this one is for, I said no because here is a game, so it's not a chatting app. So if yours is chatting app, you can say yes. Okay, so after done with all this heart type code, after you have put everything, you click on save changes. Once that's done, you go to download. Here you click on download. It's going to load your game here. So this moment you're going to download your APK file for you to upload in recommended app store by Google, by AdMob. Okay, so you can always check the platform which is AdMob approved for app to be published over there, for them to approve your art shows on your game. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it down. I will be always here to help you, to guide you all through this journey. Thank you so much, and bye for now.